Hi everyone, this is your Dr. Sabi. Today I'm going to share with you the drink I make every morning. It's ginger lemon water. It's so easy to make. This flower is irritating me. Anyways, you take ginger, scrape it like this. I've already scraped it here, and you put that just 4 gram in a pot of boiling water. All right. Can that cover? Then you cover it and keep it for 30 minutes. All right, keep it for 30 minutes. And you take them and you put in a pot of boiling water. I already did this. I've already soaked this ginger for 30 minutes because it has to turn into this color. All right, you use this, you scrape it, and don't use more than 4 gram of ginger. That means just a little bit, this much, because too much ginger is not good for you. I will talk about that later. Now my ginger water is ready. I like to have my ginger water with lemon, so I just put some lemon in it. So messy. Sorry guys, because this, just put some lemon in it. Okay, squeeze some lemon in it. Okay, 1 lemon, 2 lemon. Okay, and some more lemon, some more lemon in it. Okay, now we are done here. Okay, now my ginger water is ready. I need a glass and I need a straw. Okay, I have a what do you call this thing here, so I don't need to sieve it like this, filter it like this. But if you don't have this kind of pot, you have to filter the water like this, and your ginger water is ready to drink. Most people put ice in it, and some people put more slice of ginger, lemon in it. But I don't want to put ice because in this time and situation I don't want to catch cold, so I prefer to drink this water lukewarm, and does magic for your body. Now let me talk about what are the benefits of drinking ginger in empty stomach. First, the benefits. First benefit is anti-inflammatory, and it has antioxidant. It helps to reduce heart disease, Parkinson, even Parkinson, because Parkinson is a disease that is not being cured. And then it is anti-cancer, and it also is anti-aging. Apart from that, if you have nausea, if you take ginger water, it helps as an anti-nauseating drink. You can use that, and it's also good for digestion. It controls your or regulates your blood sugar level, which is best thing for intermittent fasting, because it will prolong your fast and keeps your insulin level in a good place. All right, and it helps in weight loss. Obviously, it is very hydrating. These are the benefits of ginger, but let's also talk about the negative side effects of ginger, because for some new users it could cause you heartburn. Oh, that's scary. It gives you gas, it can give you stomachache, and it can burn in your mouth. So you shouldn't have more than 4 grams of ginger daily if you are a normal healthy person. But if you are having heart disease, diabetes, or you have gallstone, or what else, any other kind of medical condition, it's better to consult a doctor before you take ginger water. If you have those problems, and if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, you should not use this. All right, So let me wrap it once again. This is a weight loss drink. It's so effective. It will lose weight, and especially it's good for intermittent fasting because I'm so bloated. You can see I'm bloated. I just had my dinner. I'm feeling so bloated, but this is so good for your bloating. So I'm going to drink this. Actually, you shouldn't have at night, I think. I made it, so I'm going to use it. And apart from that, this ginger water will help you lose weight. That's guaranteed. So just consider whatever I just said and see if you can have it. Just you should try, because summer is speeding in our way and lockdown has given us so much extra kilos, so we have to lose it and look good in our summer clothes, maybe bikini body. I hope. But today is my 11th day of intermittent fasting, and today I had a huge dinner. I was so hungry, so I ate a lot of protein. So I'm taking my ginger water and with lemon, and I'm going to add one more thing. I'm a O positive blood group. These kind of people, if you are O positive blood group, the point is, if you have this type of group of blood, it's very good for you, especially when you eat lots of meat, dairy and wheat, gluten. So this will, if you are feeling very alkaline, this drink is going to normalize your pH, and it's going to help you, I think. This is your dentist, Sabi, Dr. Sabi. I'm here in this channel giving you free free health tips, because I really believe in intermittent fasting. I've lost weight before with this, and because of lockdown I gained weight, and I'm trying to lose weight through intermittent fasting for 14 hours, and I have 10-hour eating window. This is easy, and please follow me. I will help you a lot. Okay, bye.